Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Tech with Babar. Today, we are going to discuss some major functions of Microsoft Excel. Let's start. In the Home tab, there is a Cut option used to move the data. The Copy option is used to copy the data. In the Font group, there is a Font option. It is used to change the font style of your text. For example, I am writing Tech with Babar. Now, let's change its font style. There are many style options available. You can select any style you like. On the side of the font box, there is a size box. It is used to adjust the size of your text. At the bottom of the font box, there is a bold option. The italic button is used to italicize your text. And the third one is the underline button. On the other side, there is a font color button. It is used to change the color of your text. And the Fill Color button is used to fill the background of your selected cells. You can select any color you want. Now I am going to the Insert tab. Inside the Insert tab, there is a Shapes option. You can select any shape you want, and you can fill colors as you like, using the Random or Shape Fill option. After the Insert tab, there is a Draw tab. In this tab, you can draw any shape using your cursor and erase it as well. The fourth tab is the Page Layout tab. There are many advanced options in the Page Layout tab, which we will study in our future videos. These are just the basic options of Microsoft Excel. Through these options, you can easily use Microsoft Excel. In the next class, we are going to start proper work and projects in Microsoft Excel. If you liked the video, then don't forget to hit the red button.